What's up guys, it's Annika here. Welcome back to our channel. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for all of the people who subscribe. And today we're going to make my grandma's favorite dish and she makes the dish really good and it's a chicken cutlet. And we started all the ingredients. You need shredded chicken, start cooking it, and break it into pieces. And we have some breadcrumbs, chili, and ginger paste. And we have some Garam Masala, and some salt, and some egg, and some potato boiled, and we have some onions. Let's get started. But you're on the gas and put some oil. And we're gonna start putting some oil. We put our oil, and now let's get started with the other ingredients. You need to have onions, chili, and ginger inside, chopped. And now we'll start putting it. Okay. And now let's put our chicken in. Guys. And now I'll clean how to put it. We put our garam masala and our salt in. Now we'll start mixing it. Do not touch it, you guys. Try to be careful. Now it's done. We let it cool down for some time, and then we start making it into small balls for it to be ready in some time. Bye friends. It's cooled down and it's ready. So let's start making. First you take a little bit in your hand. How much ever you fits in your hand. And then start taking it and then start folding it to side. If one side is not correct, you start making it and go on the other side of the opposite. If you want one have to be dirty, it's okay. You can do how much you can. And then now put it on both of your hands. Start squishing it. Put it over here. Then opposite side. And then start putting it over here. Then put it on top like you're bathing somebody's face. Then take it. Then start putting it on the plate over here. And we'll start making some more. Let's go to the oil now. Now let's deep fry it. The cutlets are nice and ready. So it's nice and brown too. So it's ready now. And this is how you start getting it, guys. And take a tissue. It's ready now. Our chicken cutlets are nice and fresh. And now, let's go call my grandma. Come on, Grandma.
When are you finished making?
Yeah.
Did you follow my recipe?
Yeah, have one bite.
Okay. Really yummy. You made it well.
My whole family liked this recipe and my whole friends like this recipe. And I hope you like it too. But for now, Bye. Bye, friends. I hope you like this. Bye.